What up? What up? Oh, let me just set this up. Yo, what up, Double O? Come on, scoop up, push it through. No.
So in 5 minutes time now at 2:10 p.m. Eastern time, Trump due to be speaking at a ceremony in Michigan. We do have the live video on the feed for those interested.
Oh. Did I just get bottom ticked? Did I just get fucking bottom ticked? Get out of here. I might just set the stop at 73, by the way.
Order filled.
See how high it goes. I'll add one if we get that high. What up, Igor? What up, what up? Oh, man. I'm waiting for some Trump news here. Trump talks in a little bit, by the way. What up, Jay Styles? Oh, man. I'm just looking. Need a big freaking pump. Honestly, I want to see it get out of here and up. I need Trump to tell me I won the war again. Big yo, we won again. Tell me we won it. This is one of those value adds if it hits down there.
A US official says Trump is going to discuss the Russia-Ukraine war with Ukraine's President Zelensky. coming from a Punchbowl News citing a US official.
Uh-oh, what'd they say? We back. This guy just said something. I completely missed it. I don't know what he just said. Oh, Trump is to discuss Russia-Ukraine war with Zelensky. Bro.
US official also says that Trump is going to discuss Iran and the Abraham Accords with Israel's PM Netanyahu. Keep in mind, we did hear last week that Israel's PM Netanyahu was due to visit Washington on Tuesday this week. That's tomorrow.
Things are good. Almost just spilt my Celsius. I just making back losses from this morning. I had it almost all back, and then I lost $600. So it is what it is. I had it all back though. I should have just fucking stopped in a bunch of accounts, and I was like, oh, one more trade. One more trade. Are they still doing that today, Amar? Or did they stop? What up, BK? I think Sean had some personal stuff to handle today. Dude, this is just going back and forth, back and forth. Look how tight this is going. Did he get permission for the high table? What up, Angia?
Order filled.
I mean, man, this is, I don't know what happened. It just stopped. I'm hoping we just blast through, to be honest. BK is going on voice tonight. Come on, push. I just don't understand. Just go. Just go. Silver Shade Soul. What up? What up, Chiz? What's up, Richard? Yo, the orange guy speaking. He's going to tell us we won the war. How is that not a good thing? I heard North Korea told their people they won the World Cup again. Congratulations to North Korea for winning the World Cup. What up, Impulse? If this doesn't break out of here, I am fucking out on this. It's got to break within the next 2 minutes. Did I catch some shorts? I think I got the long. I'm gonna exit this shit. This thing's just
order filled.
I mean, it's just not moving. What a great exit. Oh, look at that exit. It's just not moving. Oh, shit. Yo, you going to the North Korea celebration parade? Dude, somehow this morning I got in a trade going up and did not know when. Dude, that sucks. I was out. Once it can't break the flag, I was out. I thought we could break it, but apparently not. Trump at 230. Man, they just unloaded. It's crazy. Oh, man. Scalping, boss? I mean, I think that's your best bet in this market right now is to be scalping because we're not really going anywhere. Come on. Dude, it's so slow right now. I'm probably going to end up shorting this on the retest. Come on, come up a little bit. Come up a little bit more. Oh, no.
Order filled.
I basically don't want to see it to go back above. I truly believe that we could make a new low today. Am I the only one that feels like this? Or am I marrying my bias where I'm like all in? I'm only taking this is a small stop. I just want to see it reject here. If it doesn't reject here, I'm out. I was literally just playing a little rejection. Anyone else feel like that? That we're going to be low a day? I think we're going down like 200, 300 points. I don't know why it feels like that. It just feels like we're going to unload. Did that just happen? Did I just get wicked out at the top? Shiz, I honestly think that that's where we're going.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm going to take a shot for it. You think all-time highs? Dude, we're way away from all-time highs. All-time highs. Bro, we hit all-time highs by the end of the day. I don't even know what that would look like. Actually, you know what that would look like? Last April, when the China tariff stuff like made a deal and the market went up like 11%. That's what it would look like. If we can get down here, I'll go to break even and I'll just let this fucking ride. How to enter the giveaway? It will be shown on the screen. You got to be on here for a little bit. That stops people from signing up 18 YouTube names at once. It stops duck race fraud. But you'll see it here. Look, you may not be able to enter because you might not be able to enter because you're brand new. Streamlabs has like a little filter, but we do it every day. So if you can't get in, just wait till tomorrow. Nah, you might be able to get in later on. What up, Donna? My view is not bullish. My view is definitely not bullish. What's up, Jackie? I need Trump to say something wild. I need Trump to tell somebody to go fuck off on this call. That's really what I need. I need like an F you on the call. I need him to be like, tariffs on China. Yo, what up, David? Man, if we get a 5-minute close under 50, I mean, will look really good. I just had yogurt. This is not what I want to be happening.
Order filled.
I'm just out. I'm just going to wait until tomorrow to fucking on some of these accounts. We're just chopping. I'll check my email. Yo, my day was completely fucked by my copy trader. That thing set the tone for me early. There you go, Jasmine. What's up, Danny? Holy shit. Oh, man. Jasmine's been doing really well. She's just been doing really well, waiting for the setup, and that's it. What she posted in the Discord? What's up, Joelis? Did you post? I don't see it in the Discord. Always. Yo, right at the top. I was literally didn't want them to invert this, but it held. I don't like the fact that we're back above the bottom freaking, what is that, the IB? No, orb, bottom orb. Oh no, IB. I don't like the fact that we're back above it, but top tick. Where is the Discord link? I'll put it right in here. There you go. Bro, did they just get me out at the top? I just don't think we're going to go back up. I'm just looking at some of these AI stocks. It doesn't look great. Although MU bounced back a little bit. That China news really fucked up the thing. Yeah, she's just waiting. Yo, if you're brand new and it's not letting you in, it's probably because you got to subscribe or You're brand new. You got to be on the stream for a couple minutes before they allow you in.
Trump says it's amazing what tariffs will do for
Yeah.
General Motors.
The whole AI thing is, you know, yeah, otherwise people sign up with like 35 names. Yeah, there you go. Boom. She buys low and sells high, Steven. Oh my God. Yo, I literally got out at the top.
So comments from Trump coming while he's touring the General Motors facility. Seeing NYMEX WTI crude futures settling at $82.61 a barrel, which is down $6.70 or 7.5%. Gasoline August futures settling at around $3.32. Natural gas August futures at around $2.76. Diesel August futures at around $4.11.
I'm just going to hold till the end of the day, I think. I truly believe we end at low of day. This looks like a giant bear flag on the 5. And I think if it breaks, you are literally going to see, you'll probably end up seeing like, probably keep my cells like that. Steven, it's just waiting for the same thing every day. What up, P-Long? Just wait for the same thing every single day. Pray your fucking copy trader doesn't mess up. And you're in. Boom, 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 boom. Come on. I'm just looking. I think the only trait that really comes to mind is someone that just can't fucking control themselves. Like, if you can control yourself, there's no reason why you can't do this. You know, like if I was to take 1 trade a day or 2 trades a day, like I would probably be done. We would have taken We took this to the upside, I think, this morning. Was that what it was? This was the trade of the day for me. Was this up? And that would have been it. I would have packed my shit up and went home. I think it's all about, you know, just being able to just kind of walk away. I am going to take 3 off just because these accounts are fucking down a bunch.
Order filled.
I won't touch this the rest of the day. Wherever it goes, it goes. Yeah, I mean, if you can't take a loss, you got to think. If you're right 60% of the time, 4 out of 10 times, you're going to take a loss. So if you can't take a loss, dude, you got a lot of losses in trading. There's a lot of losses coming your way. You know, what's worse is like I took that loss today. It wasn't even my fault. And I lost a lot. And, that is super frustrating. You know what I mean? Like, it's different if it was, I followed my strategy and I lost. But when it's not my fault and I lose, man, that'll drive me crazy. And you just got to work through it. The PA hasn't been great. I'm hoping we make a new low. Honestly, it's kind of what I'm on. I'd like us to drop at least 40 points here. Come on. Nope. I'm going to get stopped out even. Yeah, like I don't know. That's how I look at it, man. Like, you're going to lose a lot. You're going to fucking take losses a lot. I still have 5 micros left in one account. Oh, that's actually not 5 micros, 10 micros. Jeez. My stop is at 58.50. I got 10 micros. Other than that, I think I'm out of this. But yeah, man, I mean, if I would just try, if you're not getting it right now, I would just try with like some sim accounts on evals and shit, and then just work from there until you kind of get it again. You know, Ninja Trader has those accounts that you could play with for free. I would use them and just test your shit out and just, you know, but you got to treat it like it's real. You can't just be like, oh, whatever, you know, this is garbage, you know. This thing's going to go. I'm going to be so annoyed.
Order filled. Order filled.
It's going to follow this pattern down and probably get to like 89. Come on. I should take it off right at this wick, where this wick is. Come on, man. Come on. Come get me. What up, zone? Push. Just fucking dump it. I don't know if it's going to dump. It's got to make the move like here. Otherwise, oh, yeah, here we go. Oh! I went to get out. Okay, here we go.
Order filled.
Boom. Locked in a Hyundai. Now, the big question is, well, I guess I just wait at break even. Should I just take my fucking money?
Order filled.
I'll just take my money. Oh, we're playing pocket pool, TJ. So I'm going to grab 5 accounts and I'm going to copy trade these 5 accounts. And literally the only thing it's going to take. Holy shit, did I get out at a good time? Yo, what caused that? Bro, what just caused that? Holy shit. We won again? Dude, luckily I got out. This is the problem with these markets. Holy shit.
Voice news disconnected.
I don't know what just caused that. Luckily I got out at the freaking bottom. That's wild. Trump's talking right now. I need to, what do you call it? I'm thinking what I need to do. I need to get 5 accounts that have end of day that and I'm only going to take that one trade every day. That's what those 5 accounts are for. Dude, that would have got you a ton of money right there. I mean, and you wouldn't even have to think about anything because it would have just went up. Those are the best trades when you don't even have to think. It just fucking goes. It just goes and you're like, oh, wow. Maybe I do, what did I pass today anyways? I think I passed on my funded futures account. Damn, this thing's gonna go. You passed your account today. You are funded. Yeah. Which ones you pass, BK? Bro, that song's amazing. I need to figure out something though. Sean's got some personal stuff he's handling today. Oh, man. Bro, I don't know what Trump is fucking saying, though, but he hasn't said anything. We're running into low volume area, has some trouble getting through this. Nah, I mean, we get over this area. I mean, it's probably going to go all the way up. I'm kind of debating what I want to do. Financial juice, it has it. Trump speaks in Michigan. They have it on the feed. He's not talking yet, though. He hasn't said anything. He's just said, China. Yeah, no, he's not talking yet. What's up, NQ? Hello, Silver. Hello. I'm just debating on a couple things. All right, here we go. I guess Lucid now has these daily programs, daily payouts. Is that yellow line really? This is the 200 moving average. VWAP is this big line. Dude, I just saw something. Bro, I just got a notification and then it's gone. Dude, I don't know what just happened, but I kind of want to take a shot here, to be honest with you, and stop out under like 68. I'm debating on it. Bro, is that thunder? Yo, if I took this, what is it, 23? You basically stop out below, at the bottom over there. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. It's got to get above the 200. Yeah. I grabbed 3 micros. I should just do it right in here. I'm not like in love with this trade though.
Order filled.
I don't like love this trade, but
Order filled.
this account I'm looking to flip it in, by the way. This
Brent crude futures settle at $88.36 a barrel,
Oh, is it
which is
gonna
down
push?
$8.42 or 8.7%.
go. Go, baby. Fucking go. Push it. Push it. This candle gets over 108. Oh, shit. We could be off to the races. Come on. Oh, bro. Come on. Come on.
Order filled.
Holy fuck. Listen, you could say you don't like my fucking hoodie, you don't like my hat, but don't say you don't like the trades. BK, this account is being copy traded in 10 accounts right now. That's $350 is in 10 accounts. I'm also, dude, I got one of those Lucid Daily accounts. I'm up on this trade $370. Oh man, if they just keep fucking pushing it, bro. Come on, more. I want it over 61 now. Come on. Come on. We running out of juice? We running out of juice? We're not running out of juice. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, man, that was freaking nice. Woo! I feel like if you do more copy trading, you take less trades. You know, because you know how valuable each trade is, that you'll take less. I'm out of all the accounts. I got the new Lucid one, $559 in day one. So it's almost halfway. It's a 25K. So you can only do half. I'm going to get out like right here, by the way.
Order filled.
Smash the confetti. Yo, who just fucking took that? Holy jeez. Tradeify has a micro, yeah, like 10 seconds. I mean, you would have held that for minutes. That's a minutes trade. I don't even know what that was. It was $800. Gonna go to WAP? I hope so. So I am going to be loaded up for these types of trades only. Yeah. I didn't get a chance this weekend to really set it up, but that is the plan. I also got these next gens. I'm going to get a holy dude, is that thunderstorms by me? Oh my god. Hold on one second. Hello? Good. How's everything going? When do you have free on the calendar? All right. I'm on a work call. Can I call you back around 4:30? Thank you very much. Bye. Dude, I hear thunder, but there's nothing on my radar. Bro, what the fuck is that? Holy shit. Yo, what a great trade. What a great trade. Will I open up the raffle again? I will open it up just for you, Mr. Zone. Yo, bottom of the range, top of the range, took an inversion. I need to line up 5 accounts that are only for that trade. I'm going to go get some take profit traders right now. I got to, I think that's the way. I got to sign up with this freaking authenticator shit. I passed my account today. I am funded. All right. I'm gonna have to get a couple TPTs. And I think I'm only going to take that trade. It's just going to be those trades, and that's it. I think I'm going to do I'm going to do Lucid and TPT, and that's it. And it's only going to be sweeps with a 5-minute inversion. I don't know, man. I hear some fucking thunder and lightning by me, man. Personal accounts up 2 G's today. That's always nice to see. I need... I should have some more payouts coming on Friday. I just need these trading days. Anyone still in this? It's kind of looking like it's going to flag here. The reason I don't like this is every time we've come up in this area, we've sold off. Look, sell off, sell off. Might be another sell off. So that's why I'm like, I'm out in this area. Yeah. Just looking. By the way, Legends, you can only have 5 funded accounts, just an FYI, because I have 5 and I passed 2 more and I can't activate them. Just an FYI for anyone that was interested. We need to close over 20. Let me see what we got. I mean, there's a lot of resistance up here, man. Like, I can't get long up here. All seriousness, if you just took that trade also, you could be fucking done for the day. I need to, you know what I'm saying? Like, you don't need to keep trading and trading and trading and trading and trading. Like, if it's not there, just chill out. I just don't want you to feel like you need to force trades after trades after trades. You know, like, that's the worst thing you can do.
Iran's central command says that any attempt at blockade is equivalent to escalating conflict, according to IRNA.
All right, well. I think everything's going to settle down with this Iran shit, to be honest. It has that feeling. It definitely has that feeling of let's simmer down a little bit. I'll tell you what, this goes right here. I mean, it could go up to the fucking moon. I don't think it's going. I personally think it's going to be a failed. If you short it right here, let me see.
Order filled.
Come on. Come on. I want to see it. I want to see it come down to like 55. Turn it around. Turn it. Go down and get under 68. We get under here. I mean, I'm not looking for a big trade here, by the way. All this is a quickie. Just I'm being honest with you.
Order filled.
I'm not looking to, pile in. I was just looking. Hold on 1 second. My kids just got home. Hold on 1 second. That's thunder, right?
Yeah.
Where is it?
No.
Just thunder?
Yeah.
I keep hearing it. I just. Yeah. Holy shit. It's going. Lucky I got out. There you go. See, that's why these scalps could be dangerous. Like I scalped that, I got out at the bottom. Like, but it didn't even go down that much. It's just a quick in and out. You know what I'm saying? Like you're not piling in, you're just kind of getting a couple bucks and then getting out. Yo, BK, are you still in it? No. I crushed these. These are my other funded accounts. 236, 858 in this funded account. Oh, well, I don't know why. And 180 in this funded account. This is, I need 850 for a payout. 850, I need 850 for a payout there. I don't know what just happened. Bro, what just fucking happened there? I need 850 for a payout. 850. So I'm right there for payouts. I'm right there for a bunch of payouts. I'd love to get all three to a payout on I'd love to get all three to a payout. by Friday. That'd be cool to request. Damn, this is just fucking going. I would be out. My TP, my final TP would have been right here anyways. It would have been, so I would have been out. There's no way I'm holding this. Nah, I'm talking about, I have 3 next gen payouts coming my way. One account, it'll be my 4th payout in the same account. 4 payouts, same account. That's when you really start. I don't know if they're going to push me live. I would assume I'm going live soon.
And Trump has arrived on the video. My reminder is on the feed for you to watch.
Trump's up. Trump train. What are you, just running through them? What are you doing? Are they Apex? Were you just slamming them? Are you just slamming Apex accounts? I know. I feel it. I like it. I mean, I would take a shot at like 204, and as long as this imbalance holds. Not that I love the fucking trade. Not that I love the trade at all. But I mean, if you got in at 206 and you're risking 10 points. You know what I'm saying? Like, risk reward is just kind of there. I don't know what's going to happen, but in the afternoon, that's kind of what I'm looking for, is just like risk reward type shit. I will. I need to find come on.
Order filled.
All right, let's see what happens. I'd want to see this hold. And it's not. In and out. I think $75. It's worth it though, because if it turns around and goes, you're risking 10 points to make, I don't know, maybe 50. Yo, Cove, I have 4 new legends and 1 Apex activate. Yo, you could sell me? I don't think you could sell them. Why don't you just take them to a payout? That's probably better. I kind of don't mind this to the upside. If you get Trump to say something halfway decent, they'll probably continue up. Yo, nah. need Trump to say something like, I don't even know. You're absolutely done with today? That's good. That's cool. I got bottom ticked. Just straight bottom ticked. Dude, I went to grab another Lucid account, and apparently the payment processing is not working. I don't know why. I went to grab another one, but payment processing is not working. That sucks. I don't know why. I mean, the new plan is pretty fucking simple. You make good trades, you pass it. You make bad trades, you fail it. You got to hit $1,250 in profit. End of day drawdown of 1,000. Yo, I'll just tell you what it is. Yo, you got to make good trades. That's it. I honestly feel like some of these like plans, they act as if it's like this crazy, like, you know, it's like, dude, at the end of the day, you just got to make good fucking trades. I think people think that something else is going to happen. I don't know. You know what I mean? Maybe not, maybe yes. I think too many people think that different plan, but I'll just be honest with you, the plan's pretty good. It's so crazy though, because people ask about all these plans instead of asking about like new indicators and new strategies and like shit like that. There'll be out of 20 questions, 19 will be about prop firms and one is about an indicator or a strategy. Like the focus should be the trading aspect of it, because at the end of the day, it doesn't matter who you trade with. At the end of the day, you got to make the good trades. You know, a lot of people leave that part out. But I do think the Lucid plan is good. It is what it is. Man, this was a wild ass day. I can tell you that much. I mean, we just unloaded 700 and something points out the gate after going up all night. Crazy. Absolutely insane. There you go. Someone asked me if I was going to open it. There you go. Oh man, this is just gonna go. Yo, there's so much shit you can do with it. It's crazy. Honestly, I don't think people realize how much stuff you could do with it. I mean, I think Trump can pump this. Let me hear what he's saying.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Taco.
Taco who?
Let's see what he says.
Trump says that Europe is being taken over by Chinese cars.
Right? Tell me.
Trump adds that Mercedes, BMW, and Volkswagen are decimated by Chinese cars.
I don't know what he's really saying yet. Dude, I need to hear him. I don't know. People are too dumb to know how good tariffs are for the country as a whole. I mean, you definitely need them. I mean, listen, they got to do something. Eventually they're going to have to really start tackling the deficit. Kid Poker, I won a Lucid Flex 50K eval. Didn't know there was a stupid consistency rule. Well, I mean, all accounts mostly have a
Order
consistency
filled.
rule on evals or funded side. So now you have no consistency on the funded side. What would you rather consistency rule on, the funded or eval side? Well, Apex has an eval, has consistency on the funded side. Usually you have it on one or the other. The only people I know that don't have it on either one is I don't know anybody. Where is there where it's zero? I would lose half that money if it's what I would do. Do I still trade my account with Next Gen? Yeah, I'm working on my 4th payout in the same account. Here, look, I'm up 236 today. I'm up 858 today and 180. Yeah, I mean, there's going to be a consistency rule on evals or funded side. I feel like that's how they work it. They just do it on one or the other. Like Apex does it on the funded side. Lucid is no consistency on funded on those. Yeah, I mean, that's up to you, what you want, how you want to ride with it. I want to see this come up here and I go to break even. This is what I'm doing here. I want to see this go to 39 or 45, and I would lose money. So you're at 50%. Oh my God, that thing just break and not, and then not. I probably shouldn't be in a trade when Trump is fucking talking. Push over here. Yo, we need to get over 38. Break this whole flag shit to the upside. The morning streams, the market just has been moving so much better early on. They've been great. I try my best in the afternoon to make some money, but the mornings have been freaking amazing. Come on, put in a big old green dildo candle. Come on, man. Just get it. I just want to go to break even. What do I think about earnings this week? I think we're going to run into them. I think the numbers are going to be good. I just hope that the market moves off of them. I am playing earnings in some accounts. Come on. Come on, get over 36 right here. Just let it fucking fly. This candle has got to be up. Got to be an up candle right here. Up over 36. That is not the candle I want. I want a continuation momentum candle. Get over 36, and then I will go to break even. Go push over 36, and I'm going to let my order go. Go. Push, 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 push. It's right there. Fucking just go. Come on. Are you shitting me? You got right to 35 and rejected? What up, Tawana? What up, Wolf? I want zero reverse. I want it to break over right here, 36.50, and I go to break even. I'm at break even. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. I mean, I'm looking for momentum to carry me over. And if there's no momentum, this isn't the trade for me. You know what I'm saying? It's either going to go or it's not. Yeah, keep going. See, I don't want it to keep coming back. It's got to be like an exit velocity trade. You know what I mean? Like, it's got to be an exit velocity. It's got to move now out. Like, you want to see green candle. You know, you want to be pushing. You don't want this back and forth shit. Back and forth doesn't get me paid. You want exit. And I don't like that this is turning over. I might just exit out of this thing.
Order filled.
I'm out. I took $58 in a bunch of accounts. It's not doing what I want it to do. And if it goes, it goes, but it's not doing what I want. And if it's not, of course it would go. But, you know, I'm just saying, like, there's a certain style that I like to be in on, and that just really wasn't doing it for me. I want to see volume rush in. I mean, the new accounts pretty self-explanatory. They're just daily payout accounts. I think it's definitely a plus. I grabbed one. I definitely grabbed one. I'm up 559 and it's at 25K. You know what I realized? I passed a My Funded Futures account today, and I can't. Oh, I thought you could go live. Not live, but I thought you could get funded the same day on My Funded Futures. Is that not the case anymore? Anybody know?
Just a heads up, Trump's talking about Iran again.
Oh shit! Trump's talking about Iran again. Let's see.
You're not using that. Surprisingly enough,
What?
we need paper.
Stay. Okay, I'll get it for you, dude. Just stop. How much paper do you need?
3 pieces.
Bye bye. Yours.
Trump claims that Iran is saying, please, please, no blockade.
Oh, I just upgraded. I just upgraded a rapid plan that I passed. No, the rapid plan looks like it's right now. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, no, it's right this second. Oh.
He's got farm over right?
Yeah. What's up, Desiree? Yeah, so I don't know. I just added it. I don't know when it's gonna flip over, but I'm in.
Incomes are rising and the stock market has 73
No.
all-time highs. Think of that. In a year and a half, we've had an all-time high. And your 401ks are up by $32,000 and more in just a year. And one statistic that I say, because, you know, the fake news, the reason they're fake news, they're terrible.
Yo. There you go, Desiree. Green. Can't beat that. Dude, he's wild, man. He's just crazy. It seems like everyone's getting the daily
Yemen
payouts.
Foreign Minister designate Afra al-Zuba says that the Houthis want direct flights from Iran to fill gap in military support, personnel, money, and weapons.
Tradeify is on daily payouts now, but they still all don't have what TPT has.
Also adding that security preparations are underway for protection of Yemeni oil exports.
Today is your day, Igor? Dude, you made it to the final race on what? On Friday? You were right there. You were right there to win it all. Yeah, I think the payment processor went down. I got one. I was going to try getting another one, but I was going to play it on this up move, but apparently it wasn't working. I'm sure it'll be fixed soon. I think it was 85. I get end of day with a daily stop loss. It doesn't really matter to me. Trump's tweets, yeah, it's not great when it just comes out of nowhere. He's just like, no. He's like, F you, China. Yeah, it's crazy. I mean, listen, this market is definitely not easy to it's definitely not easy. It's a lot of back and forth, a lot of shit going on. I mean, it's definitely not, you know. Damn, I might do BEs. This thing's just dumping. Just a quick 50-point drop. See, that's the problem with like it grinding up. It's grinding up, and then just drops 50 points. Try to avoid being in that. Oh. What I'm noticing is you get a great move early on, and then like it kind of just it becomes very very choppy after that. You know, like we got a great move down and back up, and then like it's just kind of like back and forth, all this chop. You know, it took a while to get anything going. Mine is the best stream on YouTube. Well, I appreciate it. Be sure to tell your friends. Be like, yo, this is where it's at. I don't even need this anymore, this line. Well, I'm just going to tell you, if you're up on the day, do not trade the last 20 minutes. It's not going to be worth it. It's not going to be worth trading the last 20 minutes. It's financial juice. But I was streaming, that was Trump talking on YouTube before when you heard Trump. Yo, Trump, Iran is saying, please, no blockade. Yeah, that shit is so funny. Please, no blockade. Oh, man. What up, AD? Dude, it's crazy, man. Oh, man. I don't know, sooner or later this shit has to end, though. I mean, it's just going on and on and on. It's like, bro, like, we just gotta kind of chill out for a little bit, It's just a lot. It's back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Like, bro. I mean, listen, you can't go trading crazy. Like, it's just, that's not how trading is done. It's not a emotional type of thing. It's a very mechanical type thing. You're making trades. You're not, it's based on the setup, things like that. You're just not just doing and doing and doing and doing. I think people confuse it. Also, I feel like people feel the need to hit the button constantly. I got to hit the button. I got to be in something. I got to be in, like, I'll even have people come in here and be like, yo, I need to get in on something. It's like, why do you need to get in on something, dude? Like, just fucking chill out. I need to get in on something. I think he definitely, and I think it's over within the next couple months. I mean, a lot of times, Kevin, like, you want to know why shit's moving, I don't think they failed their goals, though. I think they did a ton of damage to Iran, and it costs us nothing, really. I think the U.S. is using this as a reason to bomb a lot of shit in Iran just to do it. You're never going to know, but Iran's not bombing the United States. There's nothing touching our land. The only person that's losing shit is Iran at this point. So I don't know. No one really will tell you what's going on, but there's nothing hitting our land over here. And, I'll say one thing is a lot of this shit creates jobs. Us bombing, you got to create bombs. Then you got the companies that are producing the bombs, the companies producing the metal. Like, there's a whole supply chain that's it's funding right now. Like, people don't realize that. Like, it is creating a lot of jobs in a lot of different areas. I mean, I don't really know what they want over there. I think what they're telling you is just whatever to take advantage of just being able to bomb over there. I don't think we're nuking Iran. I think they did a lot of damage, like I said, and I think it's just going to stop where it is. I would be more worried about this AI bubble popping more than Iran. This AI bubble pops, you got a lot more to worry about than us fucking being done with, this Iran thing. Camel Tomahawk. Yeah, Andre, you can't be forcing shit, man. That's the worst thing you could do. My day sucked in the beginning. I had a copy trader issue and it cost me a lot of fucking money. And then ever since then, I made back about $400 of the money. So I should have lost 500. Instead, it lost 1,000. I should have made that 500 up. Instead, I'm down about 500. So the Saudis are now making pipelines that are going to bypass the strait. So a lot of these countries are now going to be bypassing the strait. So the strait's going to be, I don't want to say worthless, but worth less than it was prior. Chevron is building that pipeline for them. They're going to bypass the strait. I think U.S. is selling more oil now due to it. I think underlying that there's obviously more perks than before. Yeah, I'm only laying pipe. That's all I do. I just lay it. What up, Myth? I think at the end of the day, I'd be more, as an investor in stocks, I'm more worried about the AI bubble popping than anything. That's where I'm like, yo, if the AI bubble pops, I mean, we're going to take like 6,000 points to the downside. I mean, we're already down 2,000 from basically the top, 2,500 from the top. Like, you might have another 4,000 points to go or more if this AI shit pops. I don't think it is, because honestly, there's such a lot, like so many uses that we haven't even touched on. But it's just something to watch out for. Yeah, I'd probably be done, Jay. I don't think the bubble popping would bring us down 50%, because that would bring us down below last April when we had the tariff war with China. Like, I don't think we're going that far, because there's going to be a need for this AI. It's not going anywhere. AI is going to continue going forward. It's just some of these companies that aren't worth shit will pull back in valuation. 50% is a lot. Like, I mean, you're basically saying we're going to go down to 14,000. I mean, I don't think we've seen 14,000. When's the last time we saw 14,000? I mean, that's basically like 2023. That's 3 years ago. I don't think
1 minute going to get the market and closing balance data.
That would be fucking crazy if we went down there. I don't think it's possible with inflation and everything else. Like, you got to think the market's going up, because there's inflation every day, technically. On average, I should say. I don't think you're going to see that. I think if you got 22,000 now, it'd be crazy. I would load the boat at 22,000. I start calling grandma up. I ask for a loan off of grandma's. Oh shit! What do you think?
10 seconds.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Market on closing balance. S&P
Here we
500
go.
buy side 633 million. Nasdaq 100 buy side 440 million. Dow 30 buy side 228 million. Maximum buy side
I made like
224 million.
$500. I made like 500 real quick. Dude, I'm not even kidding you. You don't know why we can't go lower than last year's April lows? Because the tech company, it's like the AI revenue is not going to go to zero. It's not going to happen. NQ is not going down 80%. They literally shut our country down for COVID and we need to go down 80%. You would need a full on, like, I don't even know what would get you down 80%. You're never seeing 80%.
According to Mer News, they say Iraqi sources report the destruction of American drone in Anbar province of western Iraq.
80% would bring you back to like 2017. I don't even think a nuke would do it. Why would it do it? That's a temporary event. They shut down the country and we went down 35%. You would need the biggest thing that would happen is a trade war with China. That to me is the biggest thing that would hurt the market. And as we get closer and closer to Trump's being done, the next president, they're not going to get into a trade war with China. So as time gets closer to his end, the odds become less and less. Yeah, I mean, 80%. The government would not allow it to go down 80%. You got to remember a couple things. One, everyone's retirement is tied to this shit. It can't go down 80%. Yeah, I mean, it's always inflation. What today, the market goes up due to inflation. So like 22,000 today is not 22,000 3 years ago. You kind of get what I'm saying? Like 28,000 today might be 27,000 2 years ago. Like this, you know what like with inflation and everything, I don't really know the number. I'm just saying. So like you're not going to go lower. It's just not. What's up? What do you need?
I was just looking for all your coffee mugs.
All right, this is it.
Oh, where's all yours?
I don't know.
And then it's all in your car.
Maybe.
You have to do a big thing. He only has one.
Deep Seek News? I don't even know what that is. I'm just saying, man, like, I think people, have you ever seen the thing, like, how often they have an image on it. On how often, oh, here you go. So here it is. 5% or worse, 95% of the years. 40% or worse only happens in 5% of the years. So that's one out of every 20 years, you go down 40%. That's 40. That's not 80. A crash happens every 12 years, 30%. I mean, it only did 50%. I mean, that was the .com bubble right there. That was probably the biggest pullback, and it was the .com bubble. I don't think you can repeat the .com bubble, to be honest with you. That shit was wild. The companies were pre-revenue, like the companies weren't making the numbers. At least when you look at some of these AI companies, they're making the numbers. I think My Funded Futures allows it. What's up, Matt? Do you know what I'm saying, though? Kind of get what I mean? Boosted allows bots, I guess, Chris says. I would just double check, obviously. Bro, Tiger Woods, baby. We were talking about Tiger Woods yesterday. Cove, I need your best buffer builder strategy. What do you mean my buffer builder? Just keep trading and making money. Dude, you're making money. Why not just stick with whatever you're doing? Just stick whatever you're doing. Don't change anything. We're assuming the AI numbers are real. I don't think they're fake. I don't think that they're not like fake numbers. I mean, they're audited and everything. Some of it's a little fishy, like when they buy the chips and then lease back the computing power. It's kind of weird, but the money's real. The money exchange hands, But like Nvidia puts it on their books, like they sold something, they made money, and then they spent something to get the computing back. Like it's all there. I think there's going to be a massive demand for computing power as we go on. Like there's no way that computing power becomes less going forward. Like everything is requiring more and more and more. I don't ever see it going back the other way anytime soon. They're building data centers everywhere. I mean, they're doing that for a reason. Somebody committed huge duck race fraud. Yeah, I mean, well, it's built on that company's got to be something. Otherwise, they're going to book a loss on it at some point. I just don't understand. I know what I'm going to do. Don't worry. I already know what I'm going to do. Dude, it's like, how does 83 people submit for the duck race when there's 52 on? See what happens. I'm only doing this in the eval.
Order filled.
Boom. $240. Boing, yoing, 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 yoing. Every day, baby, like clockwork. Like clockwork. Isn't that wild? It's so crazy how that works. Here's the deal. You have 1 minute. If you can't submit 9 letters or 8 letters and exclamation point in 1 minute, I don't know what to say. So you got 1 minute to do it. Go. This way there's no fraud. I'm just doing it for whoever's on the stream now. I just looked at all the numbers. There's like so many fucking people.
Nvidia closes 5% lower, the worst day since June 5th.
Nvidia is 5% lower. That's pretty low. That's really low.
SK Hynix slumps below 4% IPO price as mega listing sours.
Yeah. That's crazy. Boom, boom. I just grabbed the people that were here. This is from earlier today. See, there's no fraud earlier today. Somebody that just pops in with fucking a gazillion names. I don't know what the deal is. I don't know what the deal is. Somebody just comes in with a gazillion names. It's so ridiculous. It's like, bro. Yo, it's crazy, Jay. It's crazy. Yeah, I mean, there's nothing you can really say about it. It's just freaking wild. Oh, my scripts. I'm just looking at something. Boom. I mean, what's wild is we ran up all night to just dump. That shit's crazy. I mean, it just dumped. I mean, that did not. Something happened here. Hold on. I'm just looking at my chart real fast for something. Yo, you know what's crazy? Dude, the craziest part about today is the thing that fucked my whole thing up where it got in too many contracts. I actually came back and the trade worked out. Holy shit. I didn't even see that. Are you shitting me? I don't know what happened there. Dude, the drift just worked. What's that? What do you, oh, I played the orb play today. And it just it worked. And I don't understand exactly I don't exactly know what happened there. I don't know why it didn't get out. How's that sound? Something weird happened today and it doubled up. It doubled up my shit also, which is weird. I'm gonna have to like dig into what happened. I don't know what happened because it worked. We shall see. We shall see. I don't really know what happened there. So weird. So weird. I don't know what happened. All right, anybody got any questions? Questions about anything? Who's got some questions up in here? Raffle over, guys? No, we didn't do it yet, Wolf. We did not do it. Why? I let everybody ask questions now. This is the best time that you could possibly ask any questions you may have. Start off with $1 million. I don't know. What to do with my new PAs? You don't want to lose them this year? Then I would trade smart. Did Next Gen interview me? Why would they interview me? Interview me for what? Yo, Steven, what would a paid mentorship do other than what I do already? I literally put it all out here for everybody. I don't know what Next Gen's going to interview me about. Should I invite them to my black couch? Yo, Jim Blab. Steven, you could ask me any questions, man. I'm in the Discord all day. You can ask whatever you want, man. But ask in the main chat so anybody else that has questions that don't want to ask, they can see it also. You know what I'm saying? You requested your second payout. They want to interview you. So do the interview. What do you got to worry about? Yo, what up, Sean? Yeah, do the interview. I will. I don't give a shit. I mean, I'm ready for a fourth payout in the same account, and that would make, I think that would make like 6 or 7 accounts with next gen, and I haven't been traded that long. And then I got another account that's ready for a payout. Yo, if anyone wants help, just fucking ask in the Discord. Like, if you're like doing shit at night and you're like, hey man, I don't get this, I'm in there all night. You probably have to get it over the same buffer that you just got the other one at. Do I recommend them over Lucid, Tradeify, Take Profit Trader? No. No. It kind of sucks. You have to trade on TradingView, and then they got like there's nothing that's. They changed the rules from when I first got these accounts. I would probably say no. I would stick with Take Profit Trader. Lucid.
Take a look at the market wrap for the US session, then a sell-off and chip make.
Voice news disconnected.
There's so many better accounts out there. The TradingView shit sucks. Also, Jay, if you're trading micros and you trade more than 5, you have to partial out. You can't just exit all at once. And you know how many times I got stuck? No, I don't use Sierra charts. I use Quant Tower, Ninja, TradingView, and Tradeivy. Is that a rule? It's part of the thing, man. Like, I've been in like more than 5 contracts, and then you got to partial out because you're only allowed 10 micros, I guess, or 10 contracts. So what happens is you get in there with 6, say, and then you go to sell 6, and that's more than 10 contracts in the system. So you got to partial out. Dude, I'm just going to tell you, if you don't know, you're in for something, man. I'm just being real with you. I would stick to, that's next gen for you. I mean, that's why listen, I got it when the rules were amazing and when it was cheap as fuck. And now that it's not cheap as fuck, I'm not buying them. I'm just using the same accounts I've had. There's a difference between using the same accounts you had and buying new ones. I'm not buying new ones. Can I chat in private? What do you want to chat about? I gotta ask. I'm not joining your OnlyFans. And no, I'm not paying for feet pics when people send me them for free. What do you want to know, man? I'm open about everything. Just ask me. What do you want to know? Yeah, I mean, you can ask here. We're all friends here. No one's gonna say anything. Yo, we're all good peeps. Send the money to my baby mama. Yeah, I mean, did you pass your account today? Because you are funded. $25 points is always good. It's better than no points. Let's get this show on the road. Let me see what I got here. I think they want to know why my account is up for 16 days. Dude, that's not a lot of days. I mean, here, let me see if I'll show you this. Let me see. As long as it doesn't have my address on it, I'll show you. So I am literally just fucking milking payouts. Ugh. This thing's fucked. All right. This is it's on my dashboard. All right. Come on. Oh, here it is. Hit me with it. Hit me.
I passed my account today. I am funded. I am funded.
Yo, I love this song.
Finally
funded.
Gonna make some cash. Gonna drive a Range Rover. Gonna get some ass. Can buy a lot of grass. My bank account has some gas.
Gyp's here.
I am
Funded today. I'm so hard.
I blew 50 evaluations on the way.
My duck better win.
Management
Is on point. Press my account today.
I am funded.
The duck is fried.
Gonna get that bag. Grab a big green brick. That wad of cash makes me thick. I'm so slick. P. Diddy would be jealous.
P. Diddy would be jealous.
Gonna grab that cheddar.
If you put the code in. Did you put the code in? Pass my account today. I am funded.
Finally funded. Gonna make some cash. Gonna drive
The
a
Range Rover.
Gonna get some ass. Can buy a lot of grass. My bank account has some gas. I am funded.
I'm funded.
Finally funded.
And I'll show you guys something cool too.
There's no stopping me now.
Please push one time in life. What? What up, Sue? This is a Marie special. If you ain't first and last, Ricky Bobby.
Top outs, breakouts, checkouts. Why is it always me that gets stopped out? I need some lessons on NQ or an entire PhD. Cause every time I think I got you figured out, you do something to me.
Yo, did you know he's Lexington Steele's brother? Did you know that? Richard Steele is Lexington Steele's brother? Did you guys know or no? Someone right now is Googling Lexington Steele. I love it. I love the chat. You like YOLO King? Let me see. Oh, I heard YOLO King. The YOLO King.
I check the chart like a test and I feel it on purpose. Cash in my hand, cold sweat, still I grin, still I purchase. I should size it slowly when it involves the tape, but my thumb gets lonely and my brain says take the bait. Got mad size on my liquidity, they leaning when I say they'll sweet on the spread, yeah, and I throw it all away. How many? I keep asking the screen, how many, till the number starts to scream. YOLO King, YOLO King. I never learned, I just swing. YOLO King, YOLO King. One more trade, one more sting. I got a bad habit, I wear it like a ring. YOLO King, YOLO King. Yeah, I always bet the thing. 50 minis, I'm reckless, feeling rich for a breath. Then the red bars catch up and they tapping in my chest. I call it just one setup, then it's 10 in a row. I tell myself, be careful, then I click, then I go. Old friends say I'm joking, but I know what I am. A nice little beat on the outside, inside I'm a gambling man. How many? Can the market take my name? How many? I still jump in every game. YOLO King, YOLO King. I never learn, I just swing. YOLO King, YOLO King. One more trade, one more sting. I got a bad head, I wear it like a ring. YOLO King, YOLO King. Yeah, I always bet the thing. I said I get better, I said it out loud, but the same little devil keeps me spinning around. If the loss is a lesson, why do I crave the fall? I don't wanna be saved now, I just want it all. YOLO King, YOLO King. I never learned, I just swing. YOLO King, YOLO King. One more trade, one more sting. I got a bad habit, I wear it.
Yo, you can have 2 ducks. You get more entries in the day.
Fire it up!
This is to see who wins. Oh, baby. Richard Steele is on here. So don't go anywhere. Motorboat Monday.
Lights flash red and the charts ignite. Cove Trader live, it's a bloodbath night. NQ screaming, Wick's going insane. He's hunting every bottom like a man deranged. Candle drop fast, yeah, straight to hell. We can't panic, but he knows it well. Right at the bottom where the fear gets thicker, that's where you'll find him, the Wick tickler. Heart rate spiking, finger on the click. Live stream screaming, waiting times
shit.
that Wick. One more
Yo, Chip, you hear it? Oh, yeah, he's right there.
He buys the bottom while you exit in the trade. Come on, baby, one time. Wick tickler whole day. Light it up now. Catching every bottom, don't ask me how. Thursday. Screaming out loud. Cove Trader riding while he works the crowd.
Oh my God.
Market crashes, he don't flinch, no sir. Dancing on the edge like a risk taker. Thursday. Turning around, snatching every wick before it leaves the ground. Screens glow hot like a backstage fire. Disco going feral on a
just looking at
Thursday
errors in my
night.
thing.
Yo, another one pass, they scream while Cove keeps stacking like a cash machine. Price dips lower, yeah, fake out zone. Everybody
shoot me an
feeling
email.
saying, man, I'm gone, but he leans in close with
Anybody
the
got
devilish
questions
grin.
about anything?
Watch this bounce, then he
Questions?
dives right in. Cool, better fucking get it in.
Yo,
Voltage rising,
I had such a good day after my shit didn't mess up.
That's where legends eat and the
Unbelievable.
weekends cry. We kick the Thursday. Light it up now. Catching every bottom, don't ask me how. Screaming out loud. Cove Trader riding while he works the crowd. Market crashes, he don't flinch, no sir. Dancing on the edge like a risk taker. Turn it around. Snatching every wick before it leaves the ground.
I don't know what happened here, but you need help with your entries? Well, what are you doing during the day, Jim? Why don't you come on the stream in the morning and watch? I don't know what you're doing, but I have everything up beforehand. This isn't a show you after stream.
Sideways chop trying to kill the vibe, but he's still lurking with.
You know, I'll have my order in beforehand. I'll be talking about it beforehand. This isn't like I don't show you on the screen and then like, boom, it just made $15,212. Oh, you didn't see that? No, it's all out in the open. You can't hear me over the music. Well, can you hear me now? If you got questions, now's the time to ask. I'm trying to see what happened this morning, actually. That's fucking. Oh, you know what? Did that happen this today? That's the IB. I'm just looking for something. It should have came down and got out. I don't know what happened there. Trump for the tweets, bro. Trump tweets are crazy, bro. I'm trying to I'm trying to see what happened on why my copy trader shit didn't work. Something really weird happened today. Something super weird happened today. I'm actually going to go down to the 10-second chart. Super fucking weird. I should have been in and out. I don't know why this shit doesn't work. Yeah, I don't know what happened. Yo, what's good? Long time I didn't. Yo, what up? Yeno? Yo, you enjoy vacation? You have a good vacation? That's all that matters. Enjoy yourself, man. Oh, yo, I meant to show you guys. Did you see this? Yo, I'll put it in the chat. I figured you guys want a good laugh. I made this. This is a new one. Yo, DBT, you here? Here you go. There you go. That's for you, DBT. All I know is I've used BP 157 and that's it. I didn't do the injection, so it didn't really help. I know people have done the injections and it's helped them. I don't really know. I don't really know. I would probably say, I know people like it, but you're gonna have to do the injections. That's the only ones that I've heard people say that work. There's like a whole stack you could take. It's like they call it the Wolverine stack if you want to heal. I don't. I'm not on it. Oh, I am going to chill out and figure out what's wrong with my copy trader. I'm not exactly sure what happened because the loss I took today should have only been one contract, not two, and actually it should have been a win. The only thing I could think of is when I entered, it didn't enter me at the limit level because it went too fast, and then maybe that's why it didn't fill me when it went lower. I must have just missed it by like a tick. I'm going to review the orders and see what happens. We shall see. Yo, what up? I'm going to be in the Discord, by the way. Tradecopia, it's not going to work out. I've tried those type of copiers is not going to work. They're not fast enough. Trade Syncer, they're not fast enough at what I'm trying to do is the biggest problem. If you want to hang out tonight, I'm going to be in the Discord, probably trading a little bit, going over some strategies and shit. I think BK said he was going to come on voice. Dude, I have videos on that stuff. NQ, my strategy is when we break. ES is when we break and come back to her. NQ, I'm looking to get the momentum on a break up or break down. ES, I want to see it break up and come back through. Yeah, its voice is open for anybody. BK says he was going to hang out in there tonight. You guys can all talk trading if you want. The voice is on the bottom left. You'll see it. I don't know what time he's going to come on, but there's usually, I'll see. If I see him on, I'll like add everybody. But I'll be in the Discord trading once we reopen. I am going to chill out. If not, I will see everybody tomorrow. All right. I am jumping off. I am exhausted and I got to go fix all this shit. So I'll talk to you tomorrow. I'm out.